If you own a compressor, chances are you've seen problems with moisture in the air lines. And if you're running applications like a plasma cutter or an HVLP sprayer for spray painting, then moisture in the airline can be catastrophic. Well, if you have a two-stage compressor like this one, I think I have a great solution for you. This is the JT dryer system. This one is called JT20, which is the smallest model. I think it's compatible with compressors that are around 5 horsepower to maybe 25 horsepower or so. And the key is, as I said, it needs to be a compressor that's able to output 175 psi on a continual basis. Let me talk a little bit about how this is set up. So here I've got the air coming out of the compressor, 175 psi. I've got a half-inch hose so I don't lose a lot of air volume with a smaller size hose, and that's coming straight into the top of the JT dryer. And then on the dryer, I have a regulator here set up so it's taking that 175 degrees, 175 psi, excuse me, dropping it down to about 100 or 110 psi. And that drop in pressure is what enables this system to actually pull the water out of the air. I'll talk a little bit technically about how that works. The rest of the system is, it has a auto drain on here. You can, that's an optional accessory. You can just get it with a regular plug that you drain manually whenever you need. But I have the auto drain set up so that when I'm using it, it'll drain about every half an hour for roughly 5 seconds. That's enough to take all the water out of here. And then this side is going out to my shop air. I don't have metal airlines, iron pipelines, anything like that. I just use hoses because I only have a couple of devices that I'm using for compressed air, and I like to have things on wheels so I can move them around the shop. It's much more flexible for me to run them through hoses.
The JT dryer is called JT because of the Joule-Thomson effect. Here's a super simplification of what the Joule-Thomson effect means. When most gases, including air, are put into high pressure, the temperature goes up. They become hot. If the gas is expanded, pressure gets lower, temperature drops a lot. As the temperature drops, moisture drops out of the air or the gas, and the gas continues along its path.
Thanks for watching the video. I'll probably come back in a few weeks and make a new one talking about how it actually worked. I've only tried it out a little bit so far, so I'll run it through its paces using the CNC table with the plasma cutter and see what happens from that. And I'll come back and report on that. And if you like the video, hit the like button. Thank you.